Hey guys, welcome. Ruben, it's good. We're gonna do we're gonna do gold standard first. We're gonna do gold standard first, and then we're gonna do first of the line. Alright, so here we go. Gold standard 6-box break number 9. Sorry guys, I was dealing with some personal matters, so a bit delayed. We were supposed to go live almost 30 minutes ago. Shagzad, it should be about 30-40 minutes. 30-40 minutes, and we will get started with the first of the line right after this. I'm not even checking payments on that one. Again, I apologize. Got a bit delayed. So, for this one, we have 2 fillers to take care of first, and then we'll get the break started. So, first up, we have a serial number filler for gold standard for the USA men, Bayern and Chelsea. So, one sec, guys. Ruben, everything's full already. Even my spot is gone. Santiago took my spot. And yeah, Adam, this filled pretty quick. Thank you guys. This filled within an hour. I know last one, the 4-box, we filled the entire 4-box break within 20 minutes, I think. Maybe even faster. I think it was a $15 fill. Alright, so we're gonna do this one. Where is it? USA men, Bayern, and Chelsea. So, all names Jerome through Mark. Let me bring you guys closer. Jerome through Mark are in the filler. Let me copy the name. Put it in here. Alright, here we go. Good luck. Rolling the dice. Gonna go 11 times. 11 times on the random. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11th and final. Good luck. 11. Jerome on top, Greensack on the bottom. Let me copy all of your names. Gonna put them in a text over here. Alright, let me clean this up a bit. Give you guys 1 sec. Alright, all cut. Alright, and paste. Wait, no, that was the USA, Bayern, and Chelsea. Alright. You guys tilted. Alright, so here are your results. Jerome gets serial number 1, Dexter serial number 2, Voyage serial number 4, Santiago 5, Pete 6, Dmitry 7, Mark 8, Pete 9, and Greensack 0. So Greensack, you get all the not numbered cards. Alright, that was USA man, Bayern, Chelsea filler. Now, filler number 2. Let me post the results of this one in the comments. Bam. So everyone on Facebook can see it over here. Alright, now I'm going to do the serial filler for Juventus, Italy, Germany, and Tottenham. So, pasting all of your names in the random. Let me get the name. Alright, here we go. Good luck. Jordan on the top, Syrup on the bottom. Good luck. Gonna go 9 times on this one. 9 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th and final. Good luck. 9. Joe on the top, Luis on the bottom. Alright, I'm gonna get all your names, paste them and clean them up again, and paste them in the table. There goes the G. Syrup with back-to-back spots. Alright, so here are your results. Well, that was not as planned. move this one back here. All right, so Joe, you have spot 1. So all 1 of 1s for this teams go to Joe. Get out. Then we have Douglas spot 2, Jordan spot 3, Syrup 4 and 5, Kreensack 6, Mike 7, Kerry 8, Dexter 9, and Luis. You get all the not number cards and 0 for all Juventus, Italy, Germany, and Tottenham. Now, as far as the teams that were grabbed, thank you guys for the fill again. Mike with Ajax, Dimitri Monaco, Carlos Atletico, Kreensack Barca, Detlef Dortmund, Jason Everton, Achira Inter, Detlef Schalke, Andreas Liverpool, Andreas Knudsen, Dexter Man U, Andreas Ederson Napoli, Kevin PSG, KC Real Madrid, Dimitri West Ham. Then the national teams, we have Andreas Argentina, Thorsten Colombia, Thomas Denmark, Mike England, Jonathan France, Gabo Mexico, Dimitri Portugal, Bob Scotland, Lung with Spain, Mai with USA Ladies, and Luis with Uruguay. Alright, so hopefully you guys remembered all your serial numbers. I will have them to my side to call them out. And let's get this party started. Good luck. Good luck, good luck. One sec, guys. Let me get all my supplies out. Alright. Alright, here we go. 6-box break number 9 of Gold Standard. Good luck, good luck. Let's see 1 of 1s. You definitely want to see 1 of 1s, especially for those 4 teams. Alright, good luck. Box number 1. Let's get this party started. Come on, 6 of 1, 7 of 1, not bad. I'll take a 7 of 1. One sec, guys, let me fix you. There we go. Alright. Box unpack number 1. Looks like we're gonna have a patch out over there. Alright, up first we're gonna have Ousmane Dembele, 90 of 129 for Barcelona. That's Kreensack. That's base. Up next, gonna save this one for later. Gonna have Dries Mertens, 100 of 149 for Napoli. Napoli in this one. Napoli in this one is Andreas Ederson. There you go. Up next, we're gonna have, let's see. Let's do this one first. We're gonna have a Julian Draxler for Germany. This one's gonna go to the first serial filler, and that would be. What's that, guys? My computer doesn't want to play fair today. There we go. Spot 4 in the serial filler for this one is Syrup. There you go. Julian Draxler. Up next, we're going to have Thomas Muller, 24 of 29. Fine. That's going to go to the filler as well. It's filler number 2, spot 4. That's Voyage. There you go, Voyage. Nice head there. Not a bad start. Alright, we're gonna have a patch auto up next. Patch autograph up next. Gonna go to France. Raphael Varane, 8 of 99. France in this one is Jonathan. There you go. Up next, we're going to have Casper Dolberg of Ajax, 137 of 149. There you go, Mike. And final hit, it's going to be a nice one. Base, or gold actually, 9 of 35 Bastian Schweinsteiger, but with his signature on the patch. So not bad. Player worn though. That's going to go to Germany, and the serial number filler, number 1, going to go to spot 9. 9 is Dexter. There you go. Yet another Germany patch for Dexter, and it's a sick one. There you go, not a bad one there. Put them under for now, just for now. You guys, give me 1 sec, let me get to our top loaders. I'm running low. Alright, this should be good. Alright, box number 2, good luck. $702. Up first, Jorginho for Chelsea. Spot 4, number 2, that's Wojciech again. Gold Jorginho. There you go. Up next, we're going to have a base Morgan Bryan, 89 of 129 for the USA ladies. There you go, Mai. Another one for Chelsea. Ooh, gonna have a nice one. 134 of 149, Ross Barkley. Gonna go to spot 4 again. Voyage taking it all. There you go. That's the 3rd card for the Chelsea random. For spot 4. Alright, that's a nice one. Gonna have a Ever Banega gold medals for Argentina. 69 of 149. Argentina is Andreas. There you go. Then we're going to have a Karim Benzema, 18 of 25. Nice and short print. Player 1 for some reason, though. Karim Benzema, gear patch, Real Madrid. Who's got Real? That's KC. There you go. Nice hit there. Then we're going to have a Lucas Digne, 16 of 29 for Everton. Everton, and this one is Jason. Nice hit. Nice hit for Jason. Lucas Digne of Everton. Not bad. This one's better. Gonna go to Germany. Mats Hummels, 2 of 19. Gonna go to serial number 2 for Germany. There you go, Douglas. 2 of 19, Mats Hummels. Nice little mint gold medals. Congrats. Nice hit there. All right. Box number 3. Another 702. I was looking over some hits the other day of everything that can come out of this product. We're still due for a 24 or 14K gold cards. Ooh, that has to be something sick. I think we're going to have a fine patch auto, guys. We're going to have a fine patch auto, I believe. First up, Dusan Tadic, 17 of 79 for Ajax. Gold. Ajax, and this one is Mike. Then we're going to have a Matteo Politano, 126 of 129 base for Inter. That's Achura. Then one for Real Madrid. Vinicius Jr., 42 of 149. KC. Alright, this should be a good box. Not bad. Mesut Ozil, 26 of 39 for Germany. Spot 6 is Kriensack. For the Germany filler. There you go, Kriensack. Player worn. Then we have a newly minted 16 of 29 Juan Foyth for Spurs. That's 16 of 29 for Spurs. Gonna go to the serial filler as well. Spot 6 is Kriensack. There you go, Kriensack again. Oh yeah, that's true. They have a Mats Hummels, Bastian, and this guy. Probably something else as well. Oh yeah, they had a Draxler as well, and we're not even halfway. Let me see what team that's for. Oh, that's right. Nice Juan Foyth for Spurs. 16 of 29. As I said, that's going to Kriensack, that one. Then we have two super sweet patch autos. What team is that for? Alright, let's do this one first. Gonna have a 29 of 29 Gonzalo Martinez fine patch auto. Nice little ET. Not sure what that's from. Wait, he plays for MLS, right? Was it Atlanta United he played for? Nice head though. Oh, this one's small. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I know Amy is a huge Gonzalo collector, but she's an Atlanta United fan, but I'm not sure if he still plays there. I think he left, but he was a great player if he did. 29 of 29 Argentina in this one. There you go, Andreas. Alright, leaving some space for this one. Check this one out. Ooh. Where's that thing? We're going to have an Arjen Robben good as gold patch autograph, and it's going to be mint. It's going to be numbered to 10. Let's see the number. Good luck, guys. This one is going to go to the second serial filler. The $10 one. Good luck, good luck. This is going to go to number to 10. Good luck. Everyone has a chance for this one. Spot number 10. 10 of 10. Nice. Isn't that his jersey number? 10 of 10 on Arjen Robben. Spot 0 or spot 10 in the random was Kriensack. There you go. Nice hit there. Congrats, Kriensack. 10 of 10, Arjen Robben. Match worn patch. How about that? There you go. Pretty sure that's his Dutch jersey though, not his Bayern one. Nice hit. Nice little $10 hit. All right. We're halfway. 3 down, 3 to go. Box number 4. 702. Wow. Triple red. Triple red box. Nice. Alright. So up first, we're going to have Kamil Glik, 111, 111 of 129. Going to go to Monaco. There you go, Dmitry. Then we're going to have Tyler Boyd for the USA. These fillers are so, they hit a lot. Tyler Boyd for the USA. Oh, that's a filler as well. Spot 3. Spot 3 of 149. There you go, Andreas. Nice hit there. Alright. Wow. 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 This doesn't... What a box. Alright. What a box, guys. First up, we're going to have Ansu Fati, 44 of 149. Newly minted for Barcelona. That's a nice one. He definitely sells. There you go, Kreensack. Nice hit there. Then we're going to have Antoine Griezmann of France. 6 of 29 mint. Nope, not mint. Fine. France is Jonathan. Nice hit. What a box this one. Wow. How is that numbered so low? Nico Gaitan, 24 of 29. Fine autograph for Argentina. 24 of 29. Argentina. There you go, Andreas again. Argentina's killing it. First with a Gonzalo Martinez fine patch. Patch auto. And now Gaitan patch. Not patch. Just auto. There you go, Andreas. Let's take Bastian down for now. Put him next to his Argentinian mate. Alright, next 2 cards are pretty solid. Let's go with this one first. Gonna have a Harry Kane for Tottenham. That first filler is so loaded. Spot number 4 in that filler is Syrup. Harry Kane, good as gold. Patch autograph for Tottenham. Match worn on this one as well. Congrats, Syrup. Sweet hit. Nice few boxes here. Check this one coming up. Like this usually would have been the best card in the box, but alright, where should we put him? Let's put him for Thomas Mueller. Alright, there we go. Thomas Mueller out of the board. What is this one? Wow. It's rigged. Next up, we're gonna have a patch. But this patch is numbered to 7. Numbered 5 of 7 on the Cristiano Ronaldo of Portugal. There you go, Dmitry. Congrats. It's a little, it's a mediocre patch for a numbered to 7 card, but damn it, it's only player worn. Still sick though. 5 of 7, Cristiano Ronaldo. Definitely rigged for Dmitry. He killed it last one. Now gets a Cristiano Ronaldo. There you go. 5 of 7. Holy smokes. Congrats. Alright, there goes Gaitan. Nice board, and we still got 2 boxes to go. Alright, here we go. 2 more boxes left. By the way, guys, I'm posting 6 more tomorrow and 6 more on Saturday. So, if you want to join. Wow. Gonna have a case hit, I think. I think we're gonna have our case hit. Last time I said that, we didn't. But usually 6 of 1 are case hits. So, good luck, good luck. See what we have. Well, if it is a case hit, it's going to be a patch auto, I think. Interesting. All right. Up first, we're going to have Piotr Zielinski, 40 of 149 for Napoli. Napoli, and this one is Andreas. Please have back me hit. Let's see if Joe can one-spot it. I hope it's a case hit. I really hope it is. I'm not sure. Then we're going to have a base, Adrian Rabiot, 88 of 129 for Juve. Oh, that's going to go to the filler. Spot 8. There you go, Carey. That's going to go to Carey. Then we're going to have a nice Roberto Firmino, 45 of 79 gold. Liverpool is Andreas. Nice hit there. Then we're going to have a pretty sick one here. Paul Pogba, 9 of 29 for Man U. Nice hit for Man U. There you go, Dexter. Yeah, Liverpool is a very hard hit. I think everywhere, just because they are so hyped. Panini short prints almost every single one. There you go, Dexter. Nice Pogba though, 9 of 29. These last few boxes have been very short printed. Almost every box has 2 or 3 finer mints. Not a lot of base or golds. Pretty solid. Alright, let's see what we have. Wow. we have our case set, guys. Up first, we're going to have Antonio Candreva, 22 of 79 for Inter. Inter, and this one is Achira. Holy smokes. That's all I can say. Antonio Candreva. There you go, Achira. Nice hit there. Wonder where the numbering is on that one. Must be on the other side, I guess. Alright, we're going to have a Miralem Pjanic, 27 of 49 for Juve. Spot 7 in the random. There you go, Mike. There you go, Mike. Nice hit there. Check this one out. Oh, guys, you're going to love this one. And our case hit, it's going to be a patch autograph. And it's not going to be base. It's going to be fine of Cristiano Ronaldo. Check that autograph. Almost all on sticker. Numbered 3 of 7. I did not see that numbering. Wow, there you go, Jordan. Congrats, Jordan. 3 of 7. Cristiano Ronaldo patch autograph. Good as gold. What a hit. Congrats. Match worn on the patch. Wow. Match worn, good as gold, fine patch auto. There you go. Congrats. What a hit. Sick. Alright, let me get you a mag for that one. Sorry, Joe. Sorry to everyone in the random, but congrats to Jordan. These randoms are always tend to hit big. Almost always. Last time both, or no, one of them, one of the golden goals ended up going to the random as well. There you go. Yeah, this corner and that corner do not look good. I mean, you can always try to replace this one, but still a nice card. Still a super nice card. My first Ronaldo in this product. Impossible to hit. There you go. Congrats, Jordan. Right, so, sorry, pity. There you go, Ronaldo. Ronaldo up on the board. Yeah, definitely a sick card. But yeah, you might want to contact Panini. They will probably get you a replacement. But if it's going into the PC, I don't think it really... it's not... It's definitely not the best, but it's definitely not the worst either, so... It depends really on the person. 701. 701 is going to be our last box. Good luck. Alright, let's see what we have in this one. Ooh, nice start. Mo Salah. Alright, can we get a 1 of 1? Please? It's been forever without a 1 of 1. Gonna have up first Julie Foudy, 26 of 79. Julie Foudy for the United States. Yeah, as long as you don't plan on selling, I think I don't think it really matters. It's like from here, from where I'm sitting, it's almost invisible. But if you look closer to it, yeah, it's not the best. Still nice hit, nevertheless. Up next, we're going to have Mauro Icardi, 62 of 79, going to PSG. Oh, by the way, that Julie Foudy was going to go to my, and Mauro Icardi for PSG. That's going to Kevin. There you go, Kevin. PSG has been silent until now. There you go. 62 of 79. Then we're going to have Eden Hazard, 36 of 129 base for Real Madrid. There you go, Casey. Yeah, Joe, you send this one into them. It takes almost a month. It is forever, but it's a pretty high percentage that you're gonna get a better one back. But it wasn't Thomas Mueller. Gonna have a Mo Salah, 17 of 149 for Liverpool. Liverpool is Andreas Knudsen. Nice solid gold. Not a bad ending to a case. Or to the break. 40 of 50, Karim Benzema again. That's our second Benzema. This time it's a base one. Player worn. I don't think there are any redemptions in this one. I haven't seen a single redemption so far. Karim Benzema going to go to Real Madrid. That's Casey again. Then we're going to have a nice one here. Marcelo Brozovic, fine. 7 of 29 for Inter. There you go, Achara. Nice hit. Match worn on the patch. Pretty nice. There you go. And our final hit of the break is going to go to a team that has not hit a single card. I think. Maybe I'm lying. But it's going to go to Spain. Marco Asensio, 27 of 39. Good as gold patch auto. There you go, Loon. There you go, Loon. That is match worn on the Marco Asensio. Congrats. No, the patch is not missing. It's just white. The patch is there. Trust me. I see the stitching. Nice Marco Asensio to finish the break. Match worn as well. Pretty, not pretty, very solid 6 boxes, guys. Very solid. Kevin, unfortunately not much. Just this guy, Mario Icardi. Maybe something else, but we just hit him, and I don't remember hitting any other PSG, unfortunately. This one has been pretty silent for the PSG. No problem, Jordan. Thanks for joining. Thank you for joining. Alright, so our recap is going to be a big one, because we have a lot of sickness. So, up first, let's do the base and inserts. I don't think I'm listing any pick your player for gold standard. I think we're going to continue with the 6 boxers because of how good they're filling. The 3 case gold standards, they seem to fill a bit slow. And last one I did didn't go as planned. We'll see. We'll see if it picks up. Maybe I'll post one, see how it goes. Maybe over the weekend. But we're definitely continuing with the 6 boxes tomorrow and 6 more on Saturday. So that's the plan as of now. After that, we'll see how it goes. Alright, so we have base and inserts. Mo Salah, Eden Hazard, Mauro Icardi, Foudy, Firmino, Rabiot, Zelinski, Boyd, Glick, Vinicius, Politano, Tadic, Barkley, Brian, Jorginho, Draxler, Mertens, Dembele. And by the way, guys, first of the line up next. It has been full, just gotta get it broken. And these two, which I need top loading, just gotta find the top loaders. Ansu Fati for Barcelona and Juan Foyth, 16 of 29 newly mint. Fati's base, Foyth is fine. Gonna top load those in a minute. Then our patches, 40 of 50 Benzema, 27 Pjanic, 22 Kandreva, 26 Ozil, and 18 Benzema as well. 2 Benzemas. Then our top loaded stuff. Let's see. Alright, so we had a Marks of Gold, Casper Dolberg for Ajax. Base auto. Then our gold medals, we had a base Ever Banega for Argentina and a red Nico Gaitan for Argentina. Then our reds, our fines. We had a Thomas Müller for Bayern, 24. Antoine Griezmann, 6 for France. And Paul Pogba, 9 for Man U. Our white gold patch was 9 of 35. Bastian Schweinsteiger for Germany. With nice little signature on the patch. That was 9. Then our patch autos. Had Gonzalo Martinez, 29 of 29 for Argentina. Marcelo Brozovic for Inter, 7. Marco Asensio for Spain, 27. And Rafael Varane, 8 of France. And then going up on the board, had a very nice wall. Had a Harry Kane auto, 24 of 29, good as gold patch auto. Nice one there. Then we had a Lucas Digne for Everton, 16 of 29 fine. Nice little dynamic there. Then a gold medal for Germany again. Mats Hummels, 2 of 19. This one was mint. And a very solid top 3 cards. Had a 10 of 10 Arjen Robben. Good as gold patch autograph for Bayern Munich. I went to spot 0, which was, I believe, Kreensack. Yep. Nice hit there. And then 2 Ronaldos, 1 for Portugal, 5 of 7 on the patch. Fine. Nice hit there. There you go, Dimitri. Went to the Portugal. Player worn on the Portugal patch. And then we had this monster. 3 out of 7. Cristiano Ronaldo, good as gold, fine patch auto for Juventus, and the filler, and spot number 3 in the filler was Jordan. This one was match worn, in fact, not player worn. So, congrats, Jordan with the big one. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for gold standard for today. First of the line up next. See you guys.